And that's a great way to like wake up your abdominals and say, okay, they're going to stabilize me when I go to get out of bed. Well, a lot of people end up getting back pain in the morning. It's one of the hallmarks to start to see degenerative changes in the spine. It can come from being in just one position for long periods of time at night. It could come from the day before that you were sitting for long hours at a computer or just not getting enough movement. And it also comes from muscular weakness that doesn't allow stability for the spine to stay stable. The belly blaster is a great way to start to create an isometric contraction for your abdominal muscles before even getting out of bed in the morning. You will lie in the bed with your knees bent, feet on the bed, and you'll start off with one leg, bringing it in towards your chest, and taking the other arm and press the opposite arm and pressing against the knee. And that creates that isometric contraction of your abdominals where there's no movement in your spine. You hold it about 6 seconds, and then you switch and do the other side, the right leg with the left arm resisting it, so it's across your body. Hold that for 6 seconds, and then you do both legs at the same time, pressing one hand on the same leg of each side, holding that for 6 seconds. And that's a great way to like wake up your abdominals and say, okay, they're going to stabilize me when I go to get out of bed.